Have you noticed? Every evolution story starts with, what if? This simple and provocative question moves us every day. It is like that all over the world, and it's a lot like that at INFLOR. For 20 years, we have evolved the forest management process, and we did it by asking the right questions. What if we learned from nature? What if we changed the way we do things? What if we developed a technology to help our customers produce results while being sustainable? After all, there is a lot to learn and accomplish when looking from the inside out. Nature goes through cycles of constant evolution, and that's what we want to be a part of. Helping our customers create a greener world. Thus, we unite technology with care and human interaction to achieve our goals. The outcome is an unstoppable improvement that starts with each new seedling and results in benefits and solutions for all of society. We know that evolution happens when we push the envelope. And that is why we have become more and more specialized in the global market. We embrace and carefully take care of the details of each new project because we know how important it is to be a part of the entire cycle. That's how we got here, by being innovative and by being unique. And that's why we're sure that what's ahead is also completely new, disruptive, and transformative. That's evolution. And that's asking the right questions and answering them with a long history of results. That's our DNA. INFLOR. Evolution by nature.